Dear people, let me introduce myself first. I'm Eric from the company BRM Lasers, and we produce laser cutting and engraving machines. And today we want to show you how you can make an engraving on a wooden cutting board. I first made the file in Adobe Illustrator and I saved the .ai file, and I can immediately load this into the software of the machine. Now I will specify in the software which layer we want to engrave. You can specify different layers by choosing a color. For this task we only need one layer. So I've made everything red. Now I make sure that I have entered the correct settings in the software. After that I'm ready to send the file to the machine. Now we'll open the file from the library. We see the board, that's our file. I'm placing the board into the machine, straighten it out a little bit. Now we'll adjust the focus. And we can start the task. Now we will determine where the machine will start the task. Press the origin button to determine the start of the program and frame it to see if it fits the material. Now we will start the program. As you can see, our engraving was successful. If you want more information about our machines, please let us know. We are always happy to help you with your questions. If you want to see more videos like this, let us know what you would like to see in our future videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.